Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet these cute heart-shaped ornaments. There are many ways to use these. You can enclose them in a well-wishes card or string them to use as decorations. To begin, tie a slip knot. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the beginning chain to form a ring. Chain 4. This chain 4 counts as a triple crochet stitch. Now, do 4 triple crochets into the ring. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. You now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over again and draw through 2 loops. That's how you do a triple crochet stitch. That's the second triple crochet. Third triple crochet. Fourth triple crochet. Next, we'll do 4 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over once, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over again and draw through 2 loops. That's the first double crochet stitch. We'll do 3 more. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. And fourth double crochet. When you reach the halfway point, do 2 triple crochets. If your ring is getting a little tight, slide the stitches to the left to make rooms. Next, we'll be mirroring the stitches on the left. So, do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Followed by 4 triple crochets. One, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 4. Close the round with a slip stitch into the ring. Moving on to round 3. Start with a chain 4. Then do a single crochet on the triple crochet here. Next, we put extra stitches to accommodate the curve of the shape. Put 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And 2 single crochets into the following stitch. That took care of the curve. Now do 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. When you get to the middle of the 2 triple crochets, chain 2. Do not skip any stitches. Do a single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. We are back to mirroring the stitches on the left again. Next, do 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in the last stitch here. Now chain 3. And slip stitch to the 4th chain from the previous round. Loop a slip knot and fasten off. Next, I'll show you how to string them. Start with a slip knot. Add a ring for hanging. Put it between 2 loops. Now, chain 20. To attach the heart to the string, slip stitch into one of the stitches at the top. Either side works. After attaching, chain 1. Continue and do 5 slip stitches in the chain. From here, we repeat the same stitch pattern and attach as many hearts as we like. Thank you for watching. Please check out other crochet patterns on my channel. Bye for now.